In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Amazon seller account. Whether you're looking to start a small business or expand your retail presence, setting up an Amazon seller account is a great way to reach millions of potential customers. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you need to head over to sell.amazon.com. This is where you'll begin your journey as an Amazon seller. Once you're there, you'll see an inviting button to sign up. Go ahead and click on that. It'll guide you to where you can start entering your seller information. Next, you'll need to provide some basic information to kick things off. This includes your email address, a phone number for verification, and, of course, a unique password. Supporting strong security is vital, so make sure your password is complex and secure. After this step, be prepared to receive a text message or call with a verification code. Simply enter that code when prompted to verify your phone number. Once your basic information is verified, you'll need to provide your business details. This includes indicating your business location and the type of business you operate. Be sure to have your business registration details handy, as you'll need to input those accurately. In the following step, you'll be asked to enter your business name and address. It's important to ensure these details match any official documents you may need to provide later. This helps streamline the process and avoids any potential issues with Amazon verifying your information. Now, for the financial details. You'll be required to provide the necessary information about a bank account where you want your payments to be received, as well as a credit card that will be used for the subscription fee. Make sure these details are correct to avoid future transaction issues. As part of the identity verification process, Amazon will ask for clear photos of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and a recent utility bill or bank statement. They may also require additional verification, which could include uploading a photo or participating in a quick video conference. Once you've successfully completed these steps, it's time to choose a name for your Amazon store. Think of something that reflects your brand and is memorable to your target audience. There you have it. You are now ready to step into the Amazon marketplace as a seller. Remember, being thorough and accurate with the information you provide will ensure a smoother setup experience. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you have a successful journey selling on Amazon. Until next time,